Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. If you have been struggling with the magic circle, you either can't get it or you've been practicing and you still just want to get started on your projects, here's an alternative to the magic circle. So you're going to make a chain stitch. If you're new to making a chain stitch, I have a video, a more in-depth video on that I will link down below in the description. Now, most patterns will ask you to start with a 6 single crochet in a magic circle or 8 single crochet in a magic circle. So assuming that you need to make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it, you are going to single crochet in your chain 3 times. That's 1, 2, 3. Now, go ahead and snug up your starting chain stitch just a smidge. You are going to insert your hook into that first chain stitch and slip stitch closed. Okay, and you have what looks like a little circle. Now, if there's any slack on that tail, just pull it. These may be difficult to see, but you have 1, 2, 3 stitches. You only have 3 stitches, so this is going to be snug, but just bear with me. Your magic circle is asking you to do 6 stitches, but you only have 3. So that means you need to increase in each stitch around. You're going to increase 3 times to get 6 stitches. So insert your hook. Now I like to put my finger back here to make sure I can really pull the loop onto the hook, especially when it's so tiny like this. Sometimes it's hard to grab those stitches and you need to use your nail or your fingers to help guide it along. You're going to yarn over, pull through, insert into the same stitch for an increase. Okay, into the next one. And into the last stitch, which is right here. Okay. Now, if you're looking at your piece or mine and you're like, well, what about this bulk right here? That is bulk from the chain stitch on the back. But as soon as you insert your hook, and most magic circles have you increase again to make it 12 stitches in your magic circle. So that's just what we're going to do just for the purpose of this video. I'm going to single crochet increase all the way around. Okay, let's count our stitches just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So now that you've gotten to 12, you cannot see that bulk from the working side at all. You're ready to add your stitch marker. You can see the bulk on the back, but that's going to be hidden with stuffing. That's going to be sewn in and you're not going to see it. So here is your magic circle alternative. Now, does it look exactly the same as a regular magic circle? No, but it does get the job done until you can master a magic circle. I hope this video was helpful, friends. Give my channel a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.